how to fix Instagram bio link. Hello guys, so to fix the Instagram bio link, all what we need is the Play Store and the settings on your phone. So those two things are gonna be fixing our problem. So the first thing we are gonna do is go to the settings like this, go to the apps manager like this. Now right here you will find many apps as you can see. Just search for Instagram right here in the search bar, or you can scroll until you find it. After you find it, just click on it. Now here click on this option for stop, and then go to this option, it's called storage. Now right here click on clear data and clear cache, and now click on open by default, and make sure that open supported links in the app are on always allow like this, and then go back, restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.